question is basically about the contrasting characters in Panga and Ghar Ki Murgi. What you intended to basically bring in Panga was about how women must step out of their guilt zone and, kind of decide what they want to do with their life, considering all, the fabric of the family, how they are really built around it. But in Panga, it's like a complete contrast. She finally decides what she also knows that her family wants. So bringing those contrasts, don't you? Which makes it a clearer viewpoint for you as a filmmaker, considering that the audience is also expecting a sense of responsibility from the filmmaker.
As a filmmaker, as a storyteller, my job is to show different personality types and different households and different psychographies and thinking, which will change the course of how you look at the protagonist. So in both these places, the protagonist was a woman. Now there's this one woman, she's a homemaker, and she comes from a society which is fairly patriarchal. She is in a society which is basically only about कि खाना बनाना है, घर के बच्चों को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी चीज़ें करनी है मुझे, एंड दैट हैपन्स टू ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन. आई मीन ऑल ऑफ अस हैव, मेरी खुद की मम्मी, मेरी खुद की मासियाँ, मतलब वी ऑल हैव सीन mothers and women like that who have so much of responsibilities towards the family. For her, it is not the break of going to work. She has a little beauty parlor where she goes in the afternoon and does something. That's a joy she has. But predominantly her life revolves around the family. For her, the joy is to like sit for 2 hours and maybe watch a TV show. For her joy. See, every individual and personality type is different. And it belongs to, and we also dissect it through which, who are we writing it about or for. So here it was about this woman. For all she needs is like, मेरे को 2 घंटे का रेस्ट दे दो यार, मतलब मैं बैठती हूँ और तुम मुझे बोलते हो उठने के लिए. अभी मुझे बस 10 दिन मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है, मुझे सिर्फ I just want time for myself. That's her basic motivation. When we have kitty parties, when we have women going for have these women groups, or when we have going for little outings, or when you have bhajans and all those things, that women are like enjoying their little time in the afternoon, that is to get away from their responsibilities and have that little 2 hours for themselves. Ultimate motivation was what was in the end. See, she's not that prototype who can just leave her family and say, okay, abhi tum log sab raho, main to jaane wali hu Goa. वो तो खाली threaten कर रही थी उनको. So we need to understand the other layers. It's like peeling an onion and seeing the layers below. And ultimately what that husband said, कि मैं चावी नहीं बोलूँगा, मैं भी दूध लेके आऊँगा सुबह. For her, that matters. That's her source of joy. Whereas in Panga, her prototype is different. Her background is different. She's more of a younger generation, more of the ones who has like got self-educated and who is working, who is been there, done that, always on her own. Mother who always inspires her and makes sure that she's doing everything. And then she's got into this whole family responsibility. She's got married to a guy who we feel has to be the prototype of a husband of today, who can support his wife to follow his dreams, but take responsibility of it. So her ambition is different. Her ambition is not that I want to sit for 2 hours and do nothing. Her ambition is I want to go out and become something. And there may be a third prototype or a fourth prototype. There will be so many different according to the socio-economic backgrounds, according to your education, according to your family, what as family values are. We're so rich in our country with so many things. So it will all change accordingly.
To watch the conversations on Dial M for Films, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Geo Mami Mumbai Film Festival.